Let's unbox and check. Actually, I purchased this laptop in Amazon. Okay, the package is very good actually. It's very steady material. If we speed specs, it is a Ryzen 3 processor, 1 TB hard disk, and 256 GB SSD, and 15.6-inch screen. Windows 10 OS is already pre-installed in this, and the MS Office is also pre-installed. Let's open it again. Actually, the package is very good, and the laptop is very intact to the packaging. Just flipping it down to take up my brand new laptop. Got my new laptop, and the box contains the laptop, adapter, charging adapter, and user manual which I'm going to throw it off. Just removing the plastic cover and taking out the laptop. Wow, that metallic finish is quite impressive actually for this cost. I mean, but it's made of plastic. As per our into customs, I'm just keeping this into on my laptop, brand new laptop. So it will give you a good life for my laptop and more productive too. I'm just opening my laptop down here, and now I'm going to boot up. Yeah, my laptop is brand new laptop is booting up for the first time. I'm just impressed with this metallic finish. If you see this, it's a Ryzen processor and the Vega graphics. And we need to use the internet to activate the Microsoft Office, and it's booting up actually. And we need to do some basic setup to find the setup. The only thing I hate in this Windows 10 is Cortana. First region, I'm going to select India. That's my home country. And then yeah, keyboard layout. I'm going to select this English, and I'm going to click on next. Yeah, now it's asking me to connect to the internet. I'm just connecting to my router and Netgear. I'm typing in my password, and it got connected. And next. And guys, registering the product, I just use our mail ID to register product. Guys, if you like my video, just share it, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll be posting the review and performance of this laptop within a week. Thanks a lot, and subscribe. Yeah, it's connected to internet, it's working great. Google, ding, connected, subscribe, bell icon. Thank you.